Whoa, Dominators. There's a few news, very interesting leaks actually that I wanted to share with you because while I was gone, or actually even before that, Instagram have been working on quite a few things. Actually, so many things that we can't just talk about them all in this video here. So let's just focus on one leak, one thing that I believe is a major thing, and I've not seen anybody talk about this as of yet. We're talking about the Instagram affiliate program. And if you're like, huh? What is the Instagram affiliate program? You're not alone. Because actually there's a new rising star among leakers and among reverse engineers from Italy, I believe, called, let me read that, Alessandro Paluzzi. So Alessandro Paluzzi has recently reverse engineered and figured out that Instagram have been working on this affiliate program. And basically this is another way of directly monetizing your Instagram within the app. Something that you can implement right into your Instagram strategy without having to leave the platform, without having to set up funnels and stuff like this. Just the purest form of Instagram strategy there is. Don't ask me why they're playing around with yet another monetization form when they have not even implemented the first one. That they've been talking about for more than a year right now, talking about IGTV ads, probably Reels ads as well. So I'm figuring maybe there's been some issues in the background, some things that need some more work or something like this, probably contracts or something like this. And this is why they've been trying to roll out another way of actually helping you make money on the platform easier. So let's take a look at what Alessandro Paluzzi actually figured out. And if you go to, for example, into your creator account, for all the people who just have no idea what I'm talking about, it's just a leak. It's not in there, okay? You don't have to comment, all right? You don't have to call me names for saying it's not in your account because it isn't. All right, this is not what this video is about. It will take a few months probably until this is in your account, okay? Just so you know, kids. So inside your creator studio, whatever, creator settings, there's gonna be this affiliate thing right at the top. And once you press on it, you're gonna be greeted with this screen. Earn money from your posts and stories, simplify your affiliate process, create affiliate content your followers can shop on Instagram, monetize your content, earn commissions by sharing products that you love, and work with more brands, access new opportunities to connect brands with your audience. So first of all, it's gonna obviously be a affiliate program, meaning you link to other people's products, talking about the influencer posts that are there, or you say, oh, look at this awesome thing, I love this so much. You make a picture with this, saying, well, look, I can even film myself from behind. Don't ask me what I'm talking about right now, but here, this is this gorilla pot, and within the post is what I believe you can then link to the shop, and people can directly check out within Instagram, and whenever they buy something through your link or through your post, you're gonna get commission for that, percentage of that, usually just a few percent. So hint, you're not gonna get rich from that unless you're a huge creator, just so you know, just to manage your expectations. Now there's a few things that I have to say about this. First of all, you're gonna have to apply to become an affiliate apparently. And because of this whole thing, and this is just my speculation right now, which has been a lot of the times I've been right up until this point, but my guess is that this whole thing might even, let's say you're shadow banned in some sort of way, or your reach got taken down, or you've been flagged by the Instagram algorithm for whatever reason, might be because of there's been a mistake within the algorithm, which happens quite a lot. But let's just say you have issues with Instagram. By you applying to this program, by you being accepted into this whole monetization program, into this affiliate program, I think your account is gonna be elevated in some sort of different level. It's gonna be held to a different set of standards, if you will. Now, this could be a bad thing or a good thing, but mainly I believe it's gonna be a good thing because obviously they're gonna scan through your account. They're gonna see, are you gonna be eligible? We're gonna take a look at probably what it takes to become eligible to become a affiliate. But let's just say they check you through and they're like, well, this account's okay, follows all of our standards, kind of a tick. Maybe your account's kind of gonna be reset in terms of the reach department or something that's going on, some flags or something like this, just because, you've been manually reviewed or something like this. So that could be the case. And there's a few interesting things that we could get off of these leaks. First of all, they say affiliate that are monetized, there's some thing in there, affiliate that are monetized must follow the partner monetization policies, which we're gonna take a look at. And obviously, you're gonna have to follow Instagram's content monetization policies. Now, there's a few things. First of all, apparently you can't be not eligible at all to ever become an affiliate. And we're gonna see what this could mean. I'm thinking even about theme pages because I already glanced into the monetization policy. You can be temporarily not eligible for some reasons. Then you're gonna be blocked for 24 hours, and then you can say, apply again. Or, that's basically it. Apparently, they're gonna give you the reasons why you're not eligible, which is kind of a great thing. Some things that Instagram has been missing out, actually being transparent on why they might block you or why they might perform certain actions on you. Now, let's take a look at the partner monetization policies and the content monetization policy. So you know whether you will be accepted or not, or what you have to do in order to get accepted into this program. Now, first of all, the Instagram content monetization policies, which is basically the types of content that are allowed to be run ads on, advertiser-friendly content, what they call. For example, there's some prohibited formats like static videos that are just videos, but actually that are just some pictures turned into videos, image polls, slideshows, looping videos, which is an interesting thing. You're not allowed to bait engagement. For example, incentivize people to click a link or respond to a post through likes or comments. This is something very interesting. So you're not allowed to say, well, like this post, give me a like or a double tap if you agree. Not allowed to be run ads on. You're not allowed to debate certain issues and talk about, for example, bodily fluids. Sad, but true. Also, and this is an interesting thing, you have to have original content. Content creators and publishers can only monetize content that they created or were involved in the creation of. Hence why I'm actually pretty sure, reading this right now, theme pages and reshare pages and stuff like this are not going to be able to directly monetize through the app. Obviously, you can still make a holy ton of crap amount of money with a theme page and stuff like this, and you should never just rely on the direct monetization on Instagram or on YouTube for that matter. Even for example, if I relied on my YouTube AdSense revenue, I'd not be where I am right now. So just to tell you that. And the second thing being the Instagram partner monetization policies, which is actually the more interesting thing because it tells you kind of the policies, what you need to be or what you need to do in order to be accepted into the partner program. Probably also the affiliate program because they said that. First of all, you have to be in an eligible country. We don't know where this is right now and what this is gonna be. Community guidelines, obviously, we all know these things. We've made videos about this. Content monetization policies, accurate information, talking about misinformation. I know Instagram, I'm not a fan of this specific thing because I just hate fact checkers. You can only monetize, this is just the interesting thing, you can only monetize authentic engagement, they can only monetize content consumed by their natural, authentic audience. This means creators and publishers may not engage in any behavior that artificially boosts user engagement. So if you are in an engagement group or if you buy likes or stuff like this, they know, they've been knowing all along, we've talked about this for years already now, and they won't let you be a part of the affiliate program. As easy as that. Also, creators and publishers may lose the ability to monetize if their audience significantly consists of fake engagement, including but not limited to likes, follows, and views. Talking about fake ghost followers even, and if you think you have ghost followers, it's just a shameless plug right now that I was not even thinking about before I made this video. But my Instagram agency, we actually have the world's first, real and safe ghost follower analyzation and removal system. So down below, there's a link to get your account analyzed to clean out the ghost followers. And you might want to do this sooner than later because the cleaning process, if you want to do it in a safe way like we do, takes some time. So once this feature is gonna be rolled out, not only this but the other monetization features, you might want to have sort of a clean account if you think you have ghost followers or fake followers. Another thing they talk about is you have to develop an established presence. What is this? Creators and publishers must have an authentic established presence on Instagram. This also includes maintaining a sufficient follower base. And this is where it gets interesting. Basically, this is what we've been talking about for the past months, talking about audience development, talking about the influence accelerator system framework that I figured out. Basically, all that we talk about here in this channel and in my premium program, the Instagram Black File. So if you've been following this channel for quite some time and have actually done the things that I talk about, you might be on the good side. Another thing is also you probably have to maintain a sufficient follower base. We don't know yet how many followers you have to have and how many real followers you have to have, because obviously they're actually, checking out the engagement that you have with those followers. We're gonna see. There's been some leaks about IGTV ad monetization talking about 10,000 followers. Could be, but since it's just an affiliate program, probably is gonna be lower. I'm thinking about probably 1,000 to 5,000 followers, somewhere in this range. We're gonna see. And lastly, they're obviously gonna kick you out, because that's what they love to do if you violate it repeatedly. Now, knowing Instagram and having been inside the industry for the past a lot of years, actually, I think, first of all, honestly, I think you're gonna be slightly underwhelmed when this whole thing drops, because I think it's gonna be highly limited as to who can actually join, and second of all, what affiliate programs you can actually promote there. Because knowing Instagram, they like to play thought police or other police. I think the products that you can actually promote are going to be highly limited. I believe this is going to have something to do with this Shopify connection with Facebook shops and Instagram shops. And whenever you actually have an Instagram shop with this Shopify connection, you can opt in to become an affiliate partner or something like this. And the whole paying out the creators and stuff like this is going to be handled right within Facebook payments or Instagram payments. So everything is seamlessly working together within the app. Now, I know you're going to ask me that. You probably already have written that below in the comments. When, Dominic, when? Yeah, I don't know. I wish I could tell you, but knowing Instagram is going to be later than sooner because, we've been waiting for a lot of things already. Probably right around in the range of 6 months to a year, I believe. Maybe a little earlier, 4 months, but probably 6 months plus until we can actually see that. But you never know. Instagram sometimes loves to drop some things, out of the blue. I do like the concept though, because they're, trying to make the experience for creators and for the people consuming content actually a little bit better, which is some things that have been lacking quite a bit in the past years on Instagram. So we're gonna see how this turns out. Obviously, it could be another failed attempt of making Instagram better, because you're in a way forcing people to do things right just on the app. The shopping on the app, affiliate marketing on the app. It could attract a lot of those sleazy marketers, those sleazy affiliate marketers on the app, like kind of Clubhouse has become lately, in my opinion. Anyway, concluding this whole thing, I have to set your expectations. Unless you have 100,000 of followers, you're not gonna get rich by just joining this affiliate program. Whereas if you have a small audience to a normal audience, you can still get rich by setting up your own systems, your own funnels, your own products, services, whatever, and actually performing business with your Instagram account and with your social media presence. Then you can get quite rich, really rich actually. And how can you actually do that? Yes, you're gonna just have to hit the subscribe button here below the channel. I know a lot of you guys are not subscribed yet. There's like 75% of people not being subscribed. And I just wanna have, now I can say it, I just wanna have this play button somewhere back there. So, if you're not subscribed, subscribe now, right now. It's your payment for this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in a few days with some more updates about Instagram and with some more strategies about growth and monetization of your brand, of your social media brand. My name is Dominic. I'll see you guys later. Bye.